guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. For a while, ever since I put the turbo on this car, I basically had zero traction in the back because one, I got like 18-inch tires or 25.5 inches tall. They're not going to get any traction. There's some old Chinese street tires. Well, we about to solve that today. Check these bad boys out. Got some ET Street Arch for the rear on a 15 and a first for a G-body. I'm pretty sure this is going to be an 18x5. Both Mickey Thompson tires, because y'all know Mickey's work. But yeah, got some rims right here. We're gonna unbox and check them out. Ooh, this thing's looking crispy. I want to shout out VMS Racing for hooking it up. They got some fresh wheels. This is a 18x5 that is going to be going on the front, and I got the same pattern in a 15x10 to go on the rear. These are going to match up really well with these tires. It's going to look super good, I think. I mean, can you imagine an 18 in the front and a 15 in the rear? It's going to look pretty freaking sick. But we're going to hop to the tire shop where my buddy's at, and he's going to get these tires put on for us. I'm going to give him a ride in the car and get to see his reaction. Probably won't put the tires on at the tire shop because I think I'm going to have to maybe notch the rear. I'm not quite sure yet. I got to see him when I get him back. But yeah, we're going to hop over to the tire shop. I think it's pretty safe to say we're packed in here like sardines. Two 18-inch tires, two 18-inch rims, a 15x10. And on top of that, and my wife, you heard her. We got the drag radials in the back. She's packed down, boys. Well, we're here at the tire shop. Check out a sweet-ass truck. Big block, all American flag, old school square body. Freaking sick. Yeah, my wife, whatever she's doing with her hands, I don't know what to do with mine. But yeah, we're here to get the tires put on. Here, take this. Roll that bad boy in there. I'm gonna put on a tire. It's been a minute. Is it? Yeah. So the rotation will be. So it goes that way. It goes that way. All right. And then. Tire's gonna be tight, man. That's a drag tire.
We spent 20 grand for a reason.
Don't need no machine, son.
I ain't mounted a tire in a long time.
Alright, the rest
That's
of
how
it
we
I
used to do it.
Come on, we gonna walk. No.
I think that's a lot of weight. Really don't know, but we're bouncing out pretty well. Show y'all his truck. Something. Hell yeah. I'm getting out of the way so I can hit. That's about as slow as it'll ever be. Which is not ungodly fast or anything, but
You can just feel it pull.
back there, I think. Cannot confirm nor deny that this is my black marks right there. Over there. Cannot confirm nor deny those are mine. Are they mine or not? I don't know. But anyways, we're done goofing off at the tire shop. We're back at the house now. We got the tires. Already got the front one on. And man, does it look freaking good. God, that is an 18x5 and it looks so clean on a G-body. But we ran into a bit of a problem, which I kind of figured this might happen. But these tires right here, these ET Street R's, are pretty tall and pretty wide. And yeah, they're not gonna work because I got a fender lip right there that I need to flatten. And I'm probably gonna have to frame notch a little bit, but like I said, I kind of figured this might happen. But first off, we're gonna try the roll the fenders. I've got a roller right there, and yeah, we're just gonna try to roll the fenders and see how they fit. I also picked up some new tires, some ET Street SS's for these bad boys. So when I'm cruising on the street, I also have those. But we're gonna try to get these tires on so we can go racing this weekend. Well, you see, we got the fenders rolled. A little bit of change of tire. I know we said we were gonna put those drag tires on here, but they don't fit because they hit the coilovers, and that's just gonna have to be fixed in the next video. But we're fixing to go out and test these things out and see if they get some traction.
We fixed it the right way.
Yeah, we fixed it with the hammers. I'll let him get in there and take a hammer to it. Fender roller works, but we want it super flat. Well, we're out testing the tires. Back in the day, I used to couldn't foot brake it like this. And it never hook up, but must hit boost cut. It is a little bit colder weather now. But yeah, these tires hook up freaking great. Like, they don't spin at all. And, I really can't complain about them. I'm gonna go do a couple test hits over in Mexico real quick, show you how good they hook up from a dig. Like I said, we're gonna go from a dig, get that angle, get this angle. Like, they spin a little bit, but they still get up boogity boogity. They move. I cannot complain at all. Now you can see though, they do hook up pretty well. I got them on street pressure right now, so I probably need to lower the pressure to get them to hook up a little bit better, keep them spinning from a dig like that. Yeah, we're gonna see pretty soon though. We're taking this thing back to the track and getting some real times on it. What it's really gonna do with the boost at about 13, 14 pounds. But yeah, I think it probably should go somewhere in the, maybe like the 10.0 range, I think. I'm thinking it's gonna go maybe like 10.30, something like that, turned up. But we'll see. Also got some things coming in the future, some E85, some bigger injectors. Got a lot of stuff coming for this thing. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. If you've been watching for a while, you know the message. If you ain't on the brake, you better be on the skinny pedal, son. We out of here.